Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well, and here is the last part of Amsham's dance tutorial. So we stopped here in the previous video, and next 1 2, this is the next step. So for that, with your right leg you should take a step back and follow with your left. Okay, so from here to 1 2, and while you're doing it you should also move your hand to the left corner like this. So from here 1 2, then 3 4. So for that you can extend your right leg out and then keep your left hand open, and with the right hand, with the pinky finger of your right hand, write something on your left hand like this. Let us do it again. 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the next step. So for that, keep your left hand in dola, your right hold it in this mudra and draw a wave in the air. Okay, like this from top to bottom. Okay, so your left will be here with your right 1 2, then spin. Okay, so now let's do it again. Okay, from here 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The next 1 and 2. Okay, so for that keep your right leg extended out and turn towards your left, and then move your right hand from your collarbones and extend it out. Okay, so from left to right. Okay, so while you're doing it you should also look to your right side. Okay, so after the spin it will go 1 2. So let's do it again. 5 6 7 8. Spin and 1 2. Then after that 3 and 4. So for that you have to twist your wrist like this. While doing it, only focus on one of your hands. Okay, so I'll teach you now. So first you have to keep your wrist touched and focus on any one hand. I'm focusing on my left hand. Okay, keep the wrist touched. First the left will be facing towards left, then upward, then to the right, back, and then back to left. Okay, so first to the left, up, right, back, then back to left. So left up, right, back, and then back to the left. And when you'll do it a little fast, it will look like this. Okay, so let's do it again. So from here you should keep your hands extended out, then 2 times you have to take this twist and come to the left. So switch your legs too, don't forget that. First your left leg will be out, then your right. Okay, so after this 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. So for that, first keep your left hand above your chest and your right will be below. Then from there, come back to the center and then to the right. By the time you reach the right side, your left hand will go down and right will come up like this. Okay, like this. So from the left to the right. Okay, and your legs, it should be bent when you reach the center. Okay, so first up, bend your knees to the right. Let's do it again. So up, bend, and up. So with your hands it will look 1 2 and 3. Then after that bring your hands up and twist it. It's the same twist, and then open it into a flower. Okay, the twist is the same. Okay, but instead of doing a second twist you should bring your palms together and then open it into a flower. So first twist, bring your palms together, open. So twist, bring your palms together and then open. Okay, So let's do it. So after this, your hands will go up, twist and flower. This is the last step. Okay, this is the final pose. So let us do it again. Okay, let's do it again from here. So get into your position. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spin. 1, 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and spin. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, spin. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it, dears. Now you have learned the entire choreography of Amsham. And if you want to practice it along with the song, I have uploaded it on YouTube Shorts in 2 speeds, in normal speed and in 0.7x speed. So check it out. And that's it for the Amsham tutorial. Thank you for learning this choreography with me. If you post your version, don't forget to tag me or send it to me because I genuinely love watching your videos. Take care. Keep dancing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.